Here the real numbers continuation. Here which of the following is terminating decimal? Already in previous class we will learn terminating decimal. The decimal form of a rational number is finite. The decimal form of a rational number is finite. Here one more definition is there, that denominator of the rational number can be expressed as 1 by 2 power m or 1 by 5 power n or both. This is the one more definition of the terminating decimal. Here once see, here the denominator of the rational number is can be expressed as 1 by 2 power m, 1 by 5 power n. Okay, this is here 3 by, have to write the 25 is 5 square. Already 5 times came, therefore this is the terminating decimal. Here in 18 we have to write 9 twos. So 11 by here 9 we have to write 3 square, but 3 times is not there in the definition. Let's say this is not a terminator. So one more 13 by 20 you have to write 4 5s. 13 by 4 2 square. Both 2 power 1 by 2 power and 1 by 5 power. Both here this is also terminating. Both terms are there. That's why this is the terminating. Here 41 by 42 I have to write 7 6 jar. Here 41 7 into 6 you have to write 2 into 3. Here 3 times came and 7 times also came. This is also not a terminating. You understand? Here the denominator of the rational can be expressed as 1 by 2 power. Here denominator you can see 25 you have to write 5 square. 18 you have to write 9 twos. 3 came, that is not a non-terminating. And here 20 is there, 4 5s. 2 times are 5 times, both terms are there, both. That's why this is the terminating. Okay. Okay, next. Find the irrational number lies. Find the irrational numbers 2 and 3 or 3 and 4. Anything. Okay. Already in previous class, a plus b by 2 is the rational number lies between a and b. That is the rational number. Here asking the irrational number. Here root ab is the irrational number lies between a and b. This is the formula. Already given the a value is 3 and b value is 4. You can apply the formula root ab is equal to what is the a value? 3. The b value is 4. Simply I have to write 2 root 3. Okay, understand? In the previous class, apply the rational number. Rational number formula is a plus b by t is the rational number lies between a and b. Here the irrational is asking that root ab is the irrational between the a and b. Here the apply the formula, got the answer. Okay. Next. Okay, here locate the root 2 on the number line. See once number line 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Here -1, -2, -3. Okay, the step 1. Draw an integer number line. Next, here, observe here, draw a square. Step 2, draw a square at O. Draw a square at O such that here A, B, C have considered. Then here this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit. Here OA is equal to the AB is equal to the BC equal to CO, 1 unit. Okay, so first step is consider that this is a number line. Next one is draw a square at O. All square means all sides are equal. That's why we take 1 unit. This is the diagonal. Here step 3. Observe once here triangle OAB. In triangle OAB, apply Pythagoras formula. How do you know the Pythagoras? The hyposphere equal to side square plus side square. Then hyposphere is equal to side square plus side square. Okay, in triangle OAB, this is the hypothesis. The OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Okay, here OB square is equal to OA value 1. Here AB value is 1. Then OB square is equal to 2. Okay, here OB is equal to 2. What is the value of OB? Here that is the root 2. Okay, next step 4. Here draw a arc at O. Draw an arc at O with radius root 2 units. On the number line. Draw an arc at O with radius root 2 units. Okay. On the number line. That is the step 4. Next step 5. That arc will be here in number line. That point represents root 2 on the number line. The arc touches the number line. Number line at 1 point. The point represents root 2 on the number line. Once see here, first step, draw an integer number line. Draw an integer number line. Draw a square at O. Square at O. All sides are 1 unit. I will take 1 unit. Next, third step, have to take in triangle OAB. OAB. Apply the Pythagoras formula. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. The hypotenuse is OB. Here OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. The OB square equal to what is the value of OA is 1. AB is 1. Then you got the value of root 2. Root 2. Okay, take the compass and what is the length? You have take the length and one arc. Draw an arc at O with radius root 2 units on the number line. That is, that point represents on the number line. That touch that point on the number line. That is represents the root 2 on the number line. Okay, next one is locate root 3 on the number line. The same as is draw an integer number line. The first step. Okay, draw a square at O such that here OA, AB, BC, CO same. Here one more. Take D value. This is also 1 unit. Okay, here BD. You can take BD value also 1 unit. Now express here in triangle. In triangle OBD. Apply the Pythagoras. Apply the Pythagoras. Here OD square is equal to OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. Okay, OD square is equal to what is the value of OB? OB value is root 2. Let's substitute here. BD value is 1. 1. Here square root cancel. Got it 2 plus 1. Here OD square is equal to, here OD is equal to root 3. Okay, here draw an arc at the radius root 2 units. Draw an arc at the root 3. Here. The root 3 on the number line. The arc touches the number line on the point that represents root 3 on the number line. Okay, here same as the draw integer number line same. Square, take the square also same 1 unit. But here root 2 value is 1.414, but the value of root 3 is 1.732. Let's say that arc meets before 2, second point. Okay, let's say 1.732. That is the below 2. Okay, here apply the triangle OBD, apply the Pythagoras, same as is in the locate the root 2 on the number line. This is also same, but the triangle is different. Triangle OBD, you got the root 3 value and take R. An arc at both the radius is root 3 units on the number line. Then the arc touches the number line at one point. That is the root 3 on the number line. So here find the root 5 up to 3 decimals. 3 decimals. 5, 3 decimals. That's why I am taking the 3 sets. Okay. Here 1 ones are 1. Okay, 2 twos are is 4. Okay, 3 3 is 9 is bigger number. That's why I am taking that 2 twos 4. That is the remainder is 1. Okay, take these values, and the 2 will be this double. That is 4. Okay, here which number is taken? Same value we are taking here also. Then 41 into 1 is 41. The next one 42 twos. 84. 43 threes is bigger number. That's why I am taking the 42 twos. 42 twos is 84. The remainder is 16. Again you can take that 0. In first you have don't change the first value 4. Here the 2 value is there, double 2 plus 2 is 4. Here 441 once 1 4 4. No, 442 twos. 2 twos 4 8 8. No, these are the lesser number. That 4 4 3 into 3 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 12 and 13. This is the nearest number. Then you have to take 4 4 3 3. What is the value? 1 3 2 9. Okay, what is the remainder here? 1 and here 9 is there, 7 2. It is a 271. Next you have to take next set. Don't change the previous 4. This is also 4. The next one 3 plus 3 is 6. Next here 4 4 6 6 into 6 6 6 36 36 39 27 24 26. Okay, here 446 into 6. Here 26 796. How it is that you have taken a 446 into 6? And you know the value of root 5 value is 2.236. That's why I multiply God's number is 6 to 6. Okay. Okay, what is the remainder? Is here 4, here 9 is 0, here 9 is 3. These are up to 3 decimals. Let's say 3 decimals will came, that is stop the position. Okay, here the rationalize the 1 by 3 plus root is given. 1 by 3 plus root 2. What is the sign here? Plus sign. We take opposite sign 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. Okay, here 3 minus root 2 by a plus b into a minus b formula is there. A plus b into a minus b. What is the value? A square minus b square. Get apply the formula here. What is the a value is 3. That is 3 square minus b value is root 2 square. Okay, here 3 minus root 2 by, but the value of 3 square is 9. The square root cancel, we get 2 value. That is 3 minus root 2 by 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, here find the value of 64 4 to 1 by 6. First you take the LCM of 64. 2 32s and 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 1s. How many 2s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The place of 64, let us substitute that 2 power 6, whole power 1 by 6. Okay, here 6 6 cancel. You got the value is 2. The same as 32. The 32 means how many 2s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simply have to write 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. Here 5 5 is cancelled, we got the 2. That's 625. But the LCM of 625, 5, 125, 5, 25, 5 5s, 5 1s. How many 5s is 4? 5 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. Here also 4 4 cancel. Got the 5. Here 16. Don't take 2 because here in the denominator 2 is there. That's why that is 4 square I will take. 3 by 2. 4 square. 4 4 16. Here 2 to cancel. 4 cube. 4 4 16. 16 4 64. Here simplify. The fourth root 81 minus 8 into cube root 343, 15 into fifth root 32 plus root 225. Here root a means a power 1 by 2. Here cube root a means a power 1 by 3. Okay, fourth root a means a power 1 by 4 like this. You have to write here 81 whole power 1 by 4 minus 8 into here 343 whole power 1 by 3. Okay, 15 into here 32 whole power 1 by 5 plus 225. Okay, here 81. What is the 81 LCM? 3 27s. Okay, 3 3s, 3 9s, 27 and 3 3s. Okay, next 343. Here you have to take the 7 table. 4 is 28, 4 minus 63. Okay, again 7 sevens, 7 ones. Okay, completed. Here 32 is there. 32, 16s and 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 1s. Okay. But substitute there here. How many 3s will came? 4. The 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. 8 into what is that? 343. 3 7 cube whole power 1 by 3 plus 15 into 32 value is 5 2s. Then 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. 15 50 is 225. Directly I will write the 50. Okay, here the 4 4 is cancelled. 3 minus 8 into here 3 3 cancelled. Here 7 is there plus 15. Here 5 5 is cancelled. 2 plus 15. Okay, 3 minus 8 7 is 56 plus 30 plus 15. Okay, 30 and 15 is 45. 45 3 is 48. 48 minus 56, that is the minus 8. Okay, understand? Like this you have to do. Then root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 6. Find a and b. Already you know the rationalization. Take the rationalization root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. The denominator, the sign is minus, you have to take opposite sign. Root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 6. Okay, understand? Here a into a, same value is there. A into a is a square. Here simply I write root 3 plus root 2 whole square. A minus b into a plus b. What is the value? A square minus b square. You can apply the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b root 6. Okay, here you can apply the a plus b whole square form is there. You can apply the formula a plus b whole square. In place of a, yes, root 3 is there. In place of b, root 2 is there plus 2 root 3 into root 2. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab by here the square root cancel, the 3 minus 2 is equal to a plus b root 6. Understand? Same as here square root cancel. Here also square root cancel. 3 plus 2 plus 2, both are roots in there, that is then 3 to 6 by 1 is equal to a plus b root 6. Understand? Here 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to a plus b root 6. The place of a, what the value at the place of a is 5. That is the a value is 5, same as what the value of b is 2. Okay, understand? So if root 3 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equal to a minus b, same as the find the a and b value. Same as rationalize root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. What the sign is there? Here minus sign is there. You can take opposite sign. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. You understand? What is the sign is there? You take the opposite sign is equal to a minus b root 15. Okay. Multiply here root 5 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Again here root 3 plus root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. The same value is there. A value is same here, b value is same. Apply the same formula. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. A square, what the a value is 2 root 5 whole square. Here b value is 3 root 3 whole square is equal to a minus b root 15. Okay, now multiply here. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Here root 5 into root 5 is 5 square. Square root cancel is what the 5. Okay, root 5 into root 5 5. 5 2 is 10 plus here root 5 and root 3 root 15 plus 3 root 15 plus here also 2 root 15 root 3 into root 3 is 3 3 3 is 9 by here 2 square means 4 5 whole square means square root cancel got 5. The square whole square is applicable for 2 and root 5 also. Here 2 square means 5. Here root 5 whole square means square root cancel got the 5. Same as here 3 square means 9. Root 3 whole square means square root cancel got the 3 is equal to a minus b root 15. Okay, here 10 plus 9 is 19 plus both are root 15, 5 root 15 by here 20 minus 27, 9 is 27 is equal to a minus b root 15. You understand? Here 19 plus 5 root 15 by minus 7. 20 minus 27 is minus 7 is equal to a minus b root 15. Okay, minus 19 by 7. Here minus 5 root 15 by 7 is equal to a minus b root 15. What is the a value? Here a value. Here a value is minus 19 by 7. Here already minus is there. That's why b value is only 5 by 7. You understand?